It's National Roundabouts Week. MDOT has been installing roundabouts in many places around Mississippi. So, why choose roundabouts over conventional stop signs or traffic signals?
So sometimes people are hesitant when they first encounter a roundabout, and it's really kind of a fear of the unknown. You know, they're used to traffic signals and stop signs, and they just assume that those are better. However, once they encounter a roundabout, oftentimes they'll change their mind about that roundabout. An increasing number of local road agencies and state DOTs, including ours, are embracing the roundabouts, primarily because of their safety benefit. A typical intersection has 32 conflict points, or potential points for a collision. However, at a single-lane roundabout, there's only 8 conflict points. In fact, most studies have shown that there can be an overall 50% reduction in crashes, and more importantly, a 90% reduction in fatal collisions. And really, that's too significant of a value for us to ignore. Beyond their incredible impact on safety, roundabouts have other significant benefits in comparison to stop signs or traffic signals. Unlike traffic signals, roundabouts don't need to depend on electricity to function, so they are not susceptible to power outages and they have lower maintenance costs for taxpayers. Aesthetically, roundabouts allow for landscaping and beautification not practical in other intersections. And studies by Federal Highway Administration have shown that roundabouts can increase traffic capacity by 30 to 50% compared to traditional intersections. Traffic is not required to stop, only yield, so the intersection can handle more traffic in the same amount of time, which means more people get through an intersection faster using less gas.
With all of these factors at play, it's easy to see how roundabouts are a modern solution for safer, more efficient intersections. So, the next time you approach one, remember the rules, drive safely, and enjoy the benefits of this innovative traffic design.